Are you having difficulties with grabbing minute pieces of information? If so, then try the Enlarged Text tool, which can also be used in combination with a slower reading speed, helping you to grab the fine details. We are only going to use the Enlarged Text in this video. Let's see how this works by looking at this article on the Business Insider Africa website on the world's largest ruby. Click on the hamburger. Toggle on the Enlarged Text tool. Scroll down the website to your desired location. Highlight the material to be read, and click Listen.
The gem called the Estrella de Fura has set a new market value record.
I clicked on the pause command. You can make the text larger by clicking on the A+, or make the text smaller by clicking on the A-. If I click play, it will begin reading again. Let's click stop. Notice the enlarged text is removed from the screen, but if we look at the tools on the lower toolbar, we see that it is still on. Toggle off the enlarged text tool when you are done using it. You will want to try out this tool.